In this tutorial, I want to be showing you how to make an image black and white in less than 10 seconds in Photoshop. In this tutorial, I want to quickly show you how to make an image black and white in less than 10 seconds. So I have an image here. You can see it's a nice forest in Photoshop. And all I have to do is go to the right-hand side of my layers panel. I'm going to click on this little ellipse circle icon with the drop-down menu is. Click that once, and then what I'm going to do is go down to black and white, left click on that, and what it's going to do, it's going to add a layer that turns my image black and white, and it's literally that simple. And the cool thing about doing it this way is that I can turn this layer on and off, and it's not going to affect my image itself, so it's non-destructive. So once you've done that, you can play around with it. So what happens is in your properties menu on the right hand side, you can see I've got different tints and colors. So I can literally click on a preset and I can change it. I can like make it high contrast. I can make it a different version which flips it. So I can use my mouse wheel and scroll through those filters, and you get sort of different effects. So some might be more contrasty, a bit more lighter on the highlights. The shadows might be more darker, things like that. So you can literally scroll through all these different ones and play around with that. Or I can use the sliders, and you can see like if I make the red a bit higher, the road starts to go a bit white there. I can improve the trees on the yellows there. And because this image has like greens and yellows as well, so you can see in the image, it's got yellows and greens here. But if I move the greens slider, you can see like the effect it's going to have. So you can see because a lot of the trees are green, if I bump it up, the lightness up, you can see the brightness goes up. So that's just a quick tip. So whatever color there is, you can use the right slider for that moment to shift it. And obviously I'm going to turn the black and white so you can see that. So that's how you create a black and white image, and then you can add text, you can do whatever you want with it, you can add effects, and it's ultimately the best way to create an image in black and white in Photoshop. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if this is helpful, and I'll create more tutorials just like this. Remember to smash the like button, and remember to subscribe to my channel because I post graphic design content every week. Have an awesome day.